I converted this simple video into animated video in just few clicks with the help of AI without changing the facial features and without changing the body composition. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can do this in few easy steps. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So first of all, we are going to generate our style image to apply on our video. For that, I'm gonna use a free AI tool called Leonard Ai. You can use any of your favorite tools, and I'm selecting this tool. So I'm gonna selecting this 3D animation. I'm going to give a simple prompt like a beautiful woman, and let's generate so these few images. Select one of them. So I like this image, and I am going to simply download. And our next step is video to animation. So simply I'm gonna use Runwayml Gen 1. We click on Gen 1 by Runwayml. So here we go our website. Simply we select Gen 1 model because this is a video to video model now. Simply upload your video that you want to convert into animation. So let's say I'm going to select this video, so just wait for it. Okay, so our video is uploaded and you can see this is just a basic video recorded with this simple camera. So now we are gonna upload our own image. Now simply uploaded the image that we have just created. After this process, so we click on generate video. So after we click on that generate video, so wait a little bit and have some cup of coffee. Okay, so just I'm kidding. Okay, so this is the video that I generated, and you can see. So we generated a video, so this video is not bad really. If your generated video don't look like a real video, so now to fix the facial features, we are going to use the face swapping technique. For step 3, matching facial features. After this, so I'm gonna use this AI tool called swap.face. And by the way, this is the only free AI tool available for face swapping. So you just have to go this side, faceswap.org. So you have done. So now go to the videos face swapping. So after uploading the real video, so we're gonna get back to our original video and now find the frame is the face of fully invisible. So I think this frame is looking good. So click on file and take a screenshot of it. So now just get back to our facing tool. Now simply click on that image and this will be selected as your face swapping image. To the right side, you can see we have 3 different modes to swap the faces. Selected the fast mode because it looks best with low-end devices, and this will work for all of your devices. Now simply click on start button and this will be started swapping your face. This is looking much better than the Runwayml video, and increase the video quality. Now simply upload your video in CapCut or increase your video quality. Now simply upload your video, then hit up on scale, and now this video quality is much better than previous one after generating. So here we got video. Let him play.